BizShort in seconds, say what matters. RBI tweaks rules for small businesses and goal-based lending. On 30th September 2025, the Reserve Bank of India (RBI) announced significant changes to its lending guidelines aimed at supporting small businesses and firms that use gold as a raw material. Under the revised framework, banks are now permitted to adjust the spread, representing the additional interest charged to offset credit risk, on small business loans more frequently, every 3 years instead of fixed terms. This move is expected to provide greater flexibility to borrowers and encourage banks to lend more actively to the micro, small, and medium enterprise (MSME) sector. Additionally, the RBI has made it easier for companies that consume gold in their operations, such as jewelers and manufacturers, to access working capital loans. Previously, lending against gold was largely restricted to the jewelry sector, but the new regulations extend this facility to other eligible businesses. Borrowers can also opt to switch to a fixed-rate loan when spreads are reset, providing more predictability in interest payments. Market analysts view these changes as part of a broader effort to stimulate economic growth and ensure liquidity in sectors most impacted by external shocks, including rising import costs and currency volatility. Banks are expected to recalibrate their lending policies and offer more competitive terms, which could help MSMEs expand operations, meet short-term financial obligations, and invest in technology and equipment. Overall, the RBI's measures are being welcomed by industry representatives as pragmatic steps to strengthen credit availability, support business continuity, and encourage long-term investment. Economists note that the success of these measures will depend on how effectively banks implement the revised guidelines and the response of the borrowing community. Source: Reuters. Stay tuned on BizShort for more such updates.